Hey there, guys. It's Loki and me again, Noel. Oh, hi, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Well, I finished boarding up the house. The hurricane is a Category 5, 180-mile-an-hour winds. It looks like it's going to be a direct hit for Florida. Hopefully it's not, but I boarded up the house. Loki wasn't too happy with that. That's the video you're going to see now of me boarding up the house in high speed. Or at least putting up the plywood on the main window in the front. All right? So, enjoy the video. I'll be posting every day or every other day until the storm hits, just to keep everybody updated. And then afterwards, as soon as we get cell service or internet back at the house, which hopefully nothing happens and it just passes. What are you doing? What are you waiting? What are you waiting? What are you waiting? Oh. Here we go.